Today we are going to make khakra pizza, which Mox Jain is going to make it. First, he has taken mayonnaise. You can use homemade mayonnaise also. I don't have it right now, so I am taking this packet mayonnaise, eggless. Bas. Bas, Mox. We have taken mayonnaise, 1 spoon mayonnaise, 1 spoon sauce. You can make homemade sauce also. I don't have it right now, so we are taking this sauce, packet sauce. 1 spoon sauce. And 1 spoon Szechuan sauce. See, this is a homemade khakra. You can take a small khakra also, smaller than this. According to the taste. If
one drop this
Szechuan sauce, and then we have to mix it well. Mix it. This is very healthy recipe which a child can make on his own.
you can put on this cheese slice also.
Yeah, you can keep cheese slice on this khakra pizza also. So you will have like this texture. You can add more Szechuan sauce if you want. If you want spicy wala pizza khakra. He loves it. That's why he's licking it. You have to apply this sauce on khakra. Apply evenly on your khakra, so it will taste good. Now we have to apply some oregano, a pinch of oregano on it. You have to sprinkle oregano on it. Yes, that's it. Some pepper powder, a pinch of pepper powder. And some chaat masala over it. Some corns. You can add capsicum also, but my child doesn't likes it, so I'm not adding capsicum on it. You can add green peas also. You can add coriander also, which my child doesn't like it, so I'm not adding coriander. Dalna? Oh, today he wants to add coriander also.
There's a 1 kg done.
Good. After applying or putting tomatoes on it, again apply some sauce over it if you like it. My kid loves this sauce, so he's applying sauce on it again. Then grate cheese over it. This is what kids do in this sea cheese. Now sprinkle some coriander, little bit of coriander over it. If your kids like it, you can apply lots of coriander.
जिससे आप साफ होते
And sprinkle some chaat masala. And
सब लोग छटते रहते हैं.
And your khakra pizza is ready.
Not ready.
If you don't eat bread, pav, pizza, this is an option.